This is the place where this foundation stone can be seen there very clearly. And according to what we understand, that at that time a special stone was prepared with the blown up writing put into this form. And I think there is also a little bit of curve in it because it was eventually going into this wall, which is round shaped. So there is a little bit of curve in that. So anyway, this is the original stone as far as we understand, which was prepared at that time and which was put in this very place by the blessed hand. Remember in those photographs that there are some chains attached to it and gradually it was lowered here. So it means that this is the bottom of that wall, you can say, or maybe the wall is up to here.
So the wall was made up to here?
Yes,
and then this
up to somewhere here, and it just came in the middle and then it was there. Huzur put his blessed hands, and this is how the foundation stone was laid.
And this writing that is on the wall, this was Hazrat Muslim wrote this on the paper first?
On the paper, yes.
Okay, and then it was etched in
then
later.
It was blown up and then it was engraved and etched like this. And later on the English translation was also added to that one. And the date is also mentioned there, 19th of October.
Yes, 19th of October.
19th of October 1924. That is the day when the foundation was laid. So exactly history is well preserved.